Do you want to make money fast? Whether you're saving up for a dream vacation, paying off those student loans, or just want to increase your financial security, you are at the right place. So, are you ready to learn how to make money quickly and effectively? Let's do it. Method number 1 on our list is freelancing. If you have a skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, web development, or social media management, there's a market out there for you. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect freelancers with clients looking for their specific skills. It's a quick and flexible way to start earning money on your terms. Next up, method number 2, selling online. Got some stuff lying around that you don't use anymore? Consider selling it on platforms like eBay, Amazon, or even Etsy. And if you're feeling a bit more ambitious, you can explore dropshipping or print-on-demand businesses. It's a fantastic way to turn your unwanted items into fast cash. And now, let's talk about method number 3, the gig economy. Companies like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and TaskRabbit offer opportunities for people to earn extra money on their own schedules. It's as simple as using your car, delivering food, or performing various tasks for people in your community. It's a convenient way to make money fast, without a long-term commitment.